This is how to cast any phone or tablet to a TV screen using a Google Chromecast. First, you need to make sure your Chromecast is casting to a television screen. First, you need to make sure your Chromecast is casting correctly to the TV. Make sure you are on the right source on your TV. It should be in one of the HDMI ports. The background can change to whatever, that doesn't matter. However, you should have the weather in one corner with the time, and you should have the location with a pin with the casting symbol in the corner. Remember to take note of what it is you are casting to. Here we have Family Room TV. Now you need to find the Google Home app on your phone. You may find it located in a folder named Google. Otherwise, you may have to search for it via your App Store. The Google Home app currently looks like this. It is quite a simple logo and it is just named Home. Click on the application, and if you're not already signed in, make sure to sign in. You should already be signed in and connected to the right devices. Now, on here you can see it says Family Room TV and Family Room Speaker. Now, as we took note earlier, we saw that this is labelled as Family Room TV. So I click on the Family Room TV. Now, it is telling me what it is showing and showing the same picture as it is on the screen. Telling me what it is and all that. At the very bottom it says Cast My Screen. All I do is tap on Cast My Screen, press Cast Screen, and within a few seconds it should appear saying starting recording or casting. Press Start Now and it will load up. If you want more of your volume to go to the screen, all you have to do is increase the volume. Then anything you play on your phone should be sent to the screen. And there you go. That's how to cast any phone or tablet screen to a Google Cast. And if you need to make something landscape on your portrait phone, simply turn your phone and the cast will follow along suit. I hope that's clear for the new 2022 update on how to cast your phone screen to a TV with a Google Chromecast.